second day namin dito sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, guys. And we're gonna be going outside today cause ito na lang yung parang full day namin dito. Sumit, ano na siya, he feels a bit better na.
Yeah. I was sweating a lot yesterday.
Good!
So, I feel better.
He's still sick but yeah, much better than yesterday na. Kaya nakalabas na kami. So, are we taking the train station?
Huh?
Are we gonna be taking the train station?
Are we gonna taking the
Train?
train? Yeah.
Medyo bingi kami dalawa ni Sumit kasi medyo parang nag-block yung ears. Do you feel the same too?
Yeah.
Like your ears are blocked? Kaya hirap kami makarinig. Ganyan din ako nung tag dito. Nung ano ba yun? Peak ng sakit ko. Bingi ako. Walang panlasa. But now, I'm better. Sumit na lang ang nagre-recover. Ang ganda ng weather today. Parang kakatapos lang umulan. I think it just rained, right?
Hmm?
It just rained in the morning, maybe?
Yeah. It's gonna rain.
Alam nyo ba guys, bago kami nagbiyahe-biyahe ni Sumit, actually nagpa-flu shot na kami. Kasi alam namin, talaga pag kami ni Sumit kasi talaga nagta-travel, lagi kami nagkakasakit kasi hindi kami nakakuha ng enough sleep, ganyan. Tapos puro kami labas ng labas. Asa ninibago sa weather, from cold, biglang hot, tapos mamaya uulan, ganyan. Lagi talaga kami nagkakasakit, kaya nagpa-flu shot kami. Kaya ang ending, hindi rin gumana yung flu shot, nagkasakit pa rin ako. Kasi nung mga namin sa Pinas, talagang walang tulog. Siguro makakatulog man ako. Syempre nag-a-adjust pa yung katawan ko. Laki kasi ng time difference. Parang one day yata 16 hours ahead ang Pinas. Gabi sa Vancouver, tapos umaga dito. So hindi kami nagnaninibago yung katawan. Ayun, talagang walang tulog. Natulog ako, mga 4 hours lang, gising na naman. Tapos maghapon na sa labas. Ayun.
This is your first time come to KL, right?
Yeah. First time sa KL, but like maybe 4th time here in Malaysia. I went to Langkawi before. I forgot the other cities I've been to. Basta yung mga cities lang. Cities that are near to Singapore before. JB, yeah!
That's the nearest.
I just remember JB. Not the Johor Bahru. Yeah, that's the place. I've been there like many times before, JB. How about you?
Yeah, many times. This is my 3rd time or 4th time.
Here in KL?
KL, yeah.
Lapit lang. Everything is near to us. May dalawang train station here and then there. Medyo nagiging bet ko na yung hair color ko. I'm starting to like my hair color na it's becoming brown. Not that yellow anymore. Actually, hindi to gusto ni Sumit. Sabi niya sa akin, bakit ang kulay ng buhok mo? Sabi niya sa akin. Hindi kasi siya sanay sa may kulay yung buhok ko. Kasi nga, ilang taon akong hindi nakapagpakulay. Magkukulay man ako ng buhok ko. Sarili ko lang. Yung mga nasa lang, kahon-kahon lang. Tapos light tint lang meron. Sabi niya sa akin, ang pangit ang buhok mo. Hindi mo bagay. Sabi sa akin. Oh my God. Bili tayo ng ticket. So, maling train station pala napuntahan namin. Sabi ni ate, nagtanong ako, tawid din daw namin tong bridge na to. Oh, ang ganda. Ayan. So, we're just gonna cross the bridge. We have unlimited Milo. Unlimited chocolate drink. Ito daw yung River of Life yata. We got our tickets na guys. Going to Batu Caves. Oh. So, how do you do this? Like that. You scan it. Let's scan ours. Like that. Cute naman ang ticket nila.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel away, pushing up my chest and it's squeezed till it's something. Meditate, meditate, it's pretty good.
Want to sit here? Dito na kami sa may train guys. Parang nag-wait kami ng around 15 minutes. We waited for around 15 minutes. Ang lamig sa loob.
Station berikutnya, Putra. Next station, Putra.
Bawal daw maghalikan. Sabi ng suso. No kissing-kissing ah. How about flying kiss?
That's
Yeah?
fine.
That's fine.
But not mouth to mouth.
Oh.
I don't know. Maybe
Akan membuat perjalanan ke
Yeah,
laluan
is that indecent
Batu
eh?
Caves.
No, indecent
Train
behavior.
bound for Batu
Sobrang bagal ng takbo ng train nila, guys. Parang makakatakbo pa ako ng mas mabilis dito.
I can walk faster than this.
Oh, walk faster pa sa kanya. Sobrang bagal.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Sila awasi langkah anda.
Dito na kami sa Batu Caves. Bumilis din naman pala yung train. Nung una lang mabagal. Tapos pag huminto sila sa every station, umabot ng mga 10 minutes. 10 to 15, ganyan. We're here na. I'm so excited. Nakikita ko lang to sa mga picture-picture eh. Tapos nirecommend din to ni Ate Marie kasi pumunta rin sina Kuya dito sa KL last year. Ang ganda. Wow. Nice, ah. They have chocolate and cheese panipuri. Oh, your brother is here. Sumit. Your brother, oh. There, oh. Ala, dito yung relatives ni Sumit. Uy, Sumit. Ala, yan na.
Start from here.
Start from here.
Welcome, sir. This way, sir.
Sumit, your brother. Ang cute-cute naman. Cute naman yarn. can you take a picture of me here? Buhat niya yung baby niya, oh. Ang cute naman. Nice. Punta daw muna kami dito, sabi ni Sumit. So, dito kami sa Batu Caves. Ito yung merong parang sobrang haba na hagdan na very colorful. Tapos, merong ano, yung malaking statue ni Buddha ba yun? Ito yun. Ah, nice, oh, eagle. Nice! Ang ganda ng mountain, oh. Wala, nag-away na yung mga ano, monkey and bird. Pwede naman pala mag-short. Oh, they have ostrich. Nag-search kasi ako kanina. Dapat naka-backless dress ako ngayon. Sabi ko kasi gusto kong umawra. As sinerch ko sa Google, sabi nila, parang religious temple. May religious place kasi itong Batu Cave. So, parang advisable na naka-ano ka, yung covered ka. Pero ang dami ko nakikita dito mga babae. Naka-shorts din naman sila. So, I think pwede. Kasi nga, ang daming tourist din. Hindi rin alam ng mga tourist siguro. Ming Ming! Uy, rambutan. Oh, it's much more expensive, the coconut here. It's 7 ringgit, yeah. Pero it's a smaller one. The one that we have there is bigger. Yung kahapon, ininuman namin, mas malaki. 6 ringgit lang. Uy! Nice to take a picture there. Oh, you could even hold them. I want to meet. Can I have a picture? Wow. Gusto ko sana magpa-picture kasi medyo amoy ibon sila lahat. Amoy. Ha?
Chicken.
Yeah.
Kudwari.
Ah, here. Oh. Picture sana ako doon. Kaso alam nagliparan yung mga ibon na may ano sila. Alam niyo yung parang nasa ano kayo, poultry farm. Ganun yung amoy. Kaya wag na lang. Ito na yung Batu Caves. There. Yeah. Do you wanna go up? Hindi pwede si Sumit ngayon dyan eh. Kasi may lagnat si Sumit eh. Sabi ko, do you wanna go up? I will die, sabi niya. So, wag na lang. So, ito yung mga bawal dito, guys. Ayan. Bawal pala naka-skirt. So, buti na lang di ako nag-dress. Wala kasi kaming internet ni Sumit. Tapos, nag-search lang ako kanina bago kami umalis. So, hindi na ako nag-dress. Pero, plano ko talaga mag-mini dress kanina. Eh, dami naka-dress, oh.
If you want to go up, you have to cover yourself.
Yeah, you remember? Yeah. So, pwede pala dito. They provide scarf here. Right? I don't know how much, pero may scarf dito. Tapos, di ko cover mo yung self mo. Kapag gusto mo umakyat, tapos naka-skirt kang ganyan. Oh!
This one is okay.
Long dress.
But this one is okay. How much for one?
No, I'm just asking how much.
How much to go up?
Entrance is free.
For the scarf.
Yeah. You okay? Cover the knees.
You are
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm okay.
But in case, is that free? The scarf is free?
15 ringgit na.
15 ringgit. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. No. Thank you.
15?
Yeah. Okay daw ako, sabi ni ate. All the way covered daw. 15 ringgit ang scarf. Sorry. So guys, we're done na here. We're not gonna go up anymore. Sabi na ate Marie, meron lang daw temple dun sa taas.
They went up?
Yeah, they did. Ate Marie, because she came here already like 3 times before, she said. So may temple lang daw sa taas. Kasi yeah, it looks really good. But hindi pa wala pa sa kondisyon yung katawan ni Sumit eh. Kapag inakit namin yan, baka magkalagnat ulit ito mamaya. So, huwag na namin akitin. Hindi na rin ako masyadong nakapag-search sa Google kung ano bang mga pwedeng puntahan, kung ano bang meron dyan. So, yan. Hindi kami prepared. So, meron yung mga kainan, mga shops dyan. Kung gusto niyo may photo booth din dito. Hindi ko alam kung magkano.
Ananas is bigger than Titi.
What? Ananas.
Is it female? Male.
Male.
So,
Here's the max.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.